Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the objects circle like this around your objects. Let's begin our project. First I go close this one, okay, and create a new. I'll open the file 1931. Here I'll open my image. Okay, my image is here. Now I'm gonna create the heart shape in a circular shape. So I go to the tools here and I'll choose the custom shape tool. Here I have already selected the heart shape, but you can find it under legacy shapes and more. Go to legacy different shapes. Here, this is my heart shape. I use it from here. After you select your shape, use your shift key and then create one shape. If you want to change the color of your shape, from here change the fill color into the different color, and you can see that your fill color has been changed. Or if you want to choose a different color, just choose it like this. Okay, and you can see that your fill color has been changed, and press enter. And now press the Ctrl T, and you can see the small circle in the middle. Bring this one in little down. This is the central point where you want to make your circle. So, and then make this one rotate a little bit down to 30 degree, and the rotation you can make it from here also. Here make it 30, and here the angle is 30 degree now, and press it OK. Now hold your Ctrl Alt Shift and keep pressing T until you don't finish your circle. Okay, perfect. You can see it's perfectly done. And to move all your, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.